Hello everybody. In last session we already covered how to insert image in our web page, how to add background color, or how to change font color of our web page. Now in this session we continue our next topic. Today we will see theoretically example of pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text, that means what? The text which we already formatted before the coding or before the page display on website or web. See, this is a simple coding. The HTML code publishes content shown in table 2.3 is given in code listing 2.2. As usual, start HTML head title. The title is notice, close titles, close head, then body start. H1 align equal to center. If you remember, in Word or Writer we are using left, right, justify, alignment. Here they want to write practicing rainbow colors, and you are aware about the H1. H1 is the biggest tag in H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So H1 align equal to center and paragraph align equal to is also center. The content of this paragraph is written in P tag. P tag means paragraph tag and predefined. This is a new tag for you. Pre means what? We just write our content different than the normal text. See, pre. Date is 6 August, time is 9:30. In notice we can write date and venue. In invitation card, in marriage card, they are written the time of the any occasion, the date and the venue. See, this type of content if we insert in our web page, we are using pre tag. See, pre tag close, body tag close, and HTML will be close. The output of this, see, practicing rainbow, display in center. Attention please. The paragraph is also use a paragraph tag. The text used in pre tag is displayed here. This is a different than the normal text. See. This is called pre-formatted text in HTML. Now formatting characters. See, we are learning about how to create a simple web page, how to give a background color, how to insert background image, how to change the color of that text. Now we are going to learn new topic, formatting character. Character, you know very well all the keys which we use to type the content in our computer. A to Z keys, 0 to 9 keys. All these keys, and I want to format character in my web page, format line, format paragraph in my web page. We are using formatting character. So B tag we are using for bold, I tag we are using for italic, strike tag. All this same table we are learning in first chapter. So this is a simple revise. U for underline, TT for typewriter text, superscript, subscript. Are you remember this? I want to write A square. At that time, I am going to use a superscript tag. I want to write H2O. 2 is always write in downwards. That's why it's using a subscript tag. These all the text formatting physical style of tags. So this already we learned. Now there is another way to format text. This paragraph is very important. There is another way to format text. Instead of physically mentioning the formatting instruction in the browser, we just have to tell browser what we want. Tags that manage such formatting are known as logical style tag. Underline this line. The tags that manage such formatting are known as logical style tag. EM and EM. See, you are aware about it. Bold, italic, underline, strike and superscript, subscript. We already used these tags in our before HTML web page. Now they are going to tell us in place of that tags we are using these tags, and these tags are called logical style tags. See how they are using. See, the content is displayed in emphasized manner is using tag where important things such as must be done and important can be written using EM. What is a beautiful rainbow? Exclamatory sign. When we are using this type of sign in our Gujarati, Hindi or English, exclamatory, surprise text. And strong, how strong will be displayed? How and will be displayed? Strong. The content is displayed in such emphasized manner using the tag pair. Example of this tag is follows. What a beautiful rainbow. See, observe difference between the emphasized and strong text contained in above example. Some other texts that manage the logical formatting are summarized in table 2.5. Definition is used defined fashion. EM gives emphasis specific text. Cite, citing important text such as titles of book, films, etc. In film or title of book. So if you want to read a story book, Cinderella, that will be the title of that book, story book. Films, when you are going to see movie, the title will be showed first. So for emphasizing this type of tag, they are using cite tag. Code, to demonstrate computer programming code segment, the text is displayed in fixed width font. Strong, these are the some logical strike tags. Font tag. See, font style and font tag both are different. Font tag, for font we are using size and color. I want to show my text in big size, I will increase the number of size. In Word or in Notepad you are using this type of size. Suppose I am writing, this is my new file. I want to increase the size of this first. How we are able to see? How we are able to do? Just select that text and increase your font size. And you know this very well. And you are always do this practice. This is in your practice also. Select text. Increase the font size. There is another option. Control Shift greater than. Same way, you want to increase the font size in your web page, you should be give the font size. The example is given here. See, this is a sum text, this is a red text, this is a sum text. I want to give you an example of this coding. See, in our textbook they are giving us ready-made coding. You just type this coding. See, this is our coding. Font size, font color, which font you want to use, blue.
uninstall करेगा uninstall करेगा गाड़ी ना हो नेट चालू है ना गाड़ी लगा
We'll save this file with the text .html. We are showing a text in this file. So now we will see here the output of text.html. says our extension is wrong, text.html. Save. Now we open it in browser. How to see it in browser? Just open with Google Chrome. Are you able to see? See, I am normal. That means I am not giving any color to this text. I am green. This is a blue. I am some text. I am Sonic text. See, font size. Each and everywhere. Suppose I want to change the font size is 15. The output of corrected text is, we just refresh this file again, reload. So this is some text, this is some text, green color, blue color. So I am normal, there is no color, no font name, nothing. So I want to change this all things. We will update it. Font size. We want to change font size, font color, font face equal to Verdana. Verdana is the one of the famous font face. Font face, that means name of that font. There are different type of fonts. See, you know very well the name of this font. See, these are the font name. Lunica Console, LuniFX. Now we want to show in our web page Verdana. This type of font. For this particular line, we want to show this type of font. So we just save this file. Just right click, open with Google. Are you able to see this is a different than other font? So this is a simple coding of this. Here, see this type of font they are displaying here. Special characters, less than, greater than. Special characters such as less than, ampersand, copyright, etc. can be included on web page along with ampersand as prefix of the mnemonic code of the letter. Underline this line. Instead of such, this mnemonic code is used for some special character which are using for creating web page. Less than, greater than, ampersand. And for these characters, we are using mnemonic code LT for less than, GT for greater than. The ASCII value, American Standard Code for information change interchange, is the here. This is just for your information. Same way, the tags covered in these chapters are, in this chapter we already covered this tags. This tag is for comment tag, B, bold tag, face, base font, body. Same way, these are the site, code, definition, EM, font. These all are the important tags. You must be read all these tags. And the all tags covered in this example. So there is a main code HTML. This is 2.4. If you are using this, you must be practice this coding. The coding is already given here. In this coding, they are including all tags which we covered in this chapter. href for anchor tag. P tag, paragraph tag. They are something about my school. Paragraph tag, body tag, close. We also covered another tag in this chapter. See, if you write that code perfectly, your output should be like this. So, at your home exercise, you should be do this coding. After coding, our chapter is completed here. The summary of this chapter is, in this chapter we learn about meta tag used in head section. In this chapter we already covered meta tag. Not only display anything, however they often provide information. HTML body section also provides physical and logical formatting tag style. You should be read this summary and also do the practice of this chapter. For practice, this one example is sufficient. Another examples we already covered at the time of demonstration. So you must be practice of this coding. Code listing 2.4. Here some exercise. After completing each and every chapter,